In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table on Canva. So you need to do going on Canva, click on custom size just here, then select any ratio. So I select 90 20 into 180. Just click on enter. Then I open a design right now. So this is easy method. So after watching this video, you're able to do these things perfectly. Now go to elements, then here are type table or chart. You can see here is a lots of table available here. Wow, you can see I open a table here right now. Keep in mind some of the table are free and some of the table are 100% paid. So I have another way. Then if you want to add more long and more shorts, this is also available here. So just click on here, you can see this is available. But if you want to add a free method, just click on here, then you can see just click on sharp, add here, just drag and drop, then small things. Okay, that's good. Just keep here. Okay, that's good. Now just click on Ctrl A, then click on group, then just copy this one and again. Then this is a method. You can create a table like this. If you want to change this color, just click on black, white, and etc. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.